Okay, I'm actually really excited and scared at the same time. What is a prank? I'd be so upset and I just want to smash everything. Welcome back, guys. Thanks for checking in with me, EJ. Obviously, why do you think I'm here? Why do you think it's called Checking with EJ? Do you know? Because it's EJ here and Pink Chair. I'm checking in, not checking out with Pink Chair. So, guys, before me and the chair start the video, I want to show you two things. So, guys, the first thing I want to show you is this. It's the new issue of the Cocoagirl magazine. This one is number 5 over here. And as you can see at the back, you can buy Osmo. But in the book, we actually already looked in it, just like a little sneak peek. You can actually win this Osmo thing. So there is one thing I want to show you guys in this book over here. So look over here. You can see this looks like something. Before I thought it looked like some type of pasta or something, so I didn't really see it properly and I didn't really know what it said there. But that's jollof rice, and guys, if you didn't know me that well, I love jollof rice. That's one of my favorite rice, and you can find it in Ghana or Nigeria, right?
Yeah, and there's other parts as well, but yeah. Just
look how yummy this looks. I especially love when it's like a little bit of touch of spice. Oh, that sounds so good right now. I'm hungry. After I finish doing this video, I'm going to get stuck into this magazine. Her face is like so pretty. She kind of looks like someone familiar. I know who she is. Her name's called Journey from Jingle Jangle. She looks like Journey a little bit.
No, she doesn't.
Yeah, she does.
Okay.
And like, I just love her hair. Like, just look how puffy her hair looks and look how nice they look. Like, she just natural. And these look like Barbie elastics a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. So guys, the next thing I got in the post is actually this right over here. It is a package. It says EJ Nema, but you can't see my address. And it hasn't been opened. We don't know what it is. So I think let's just get opening. Okay, I'm actually really excited and scared at the same time. What is a prank? I'd be so upset and I just want to smash everything. Wait, let me see if there's anything else inside of it. So guys, look what Throwballs gave me. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Like, I think you can draw and write notes in this. This is actually really cool. And I also got a blue pen. How cool is that? It's like an aqua blue. And they gave me another sticker to stick on my door. So if I want to stick the other one somewhere else, I can stick the other one somewhere else. I have 2 of these now. One in my notebook and one here. So let me read you the back quickly. Look at it. There's me on it. It says my name. Oh my god. This notebook belongs to the beautiful and confident, determined and excellent, truly amazing EJ. Oh my gosh, I'm actually loving this. It says Throwballs, hair slave from Fun and Play. It also says that I have that on my tablet. I love that game. I was playing it like 20 minutes ago. Guys, I am actually really happy. Now I have 2 of these books. One with Crystal on it, / me over here. And then I have this one with all the Throwballs. I am so thankful for Throwball. Like, they're giving me all this stuff. I don't know what I could do for them. I just like really want to do stuff for them. They are so nice. Okay, so let's move on to the main part of my video. So guys, the thing I am going to be opening today is, drum roll please, but I actually won this from my Cocoagirl magazine. And my mom just wrapped it up so I could feel good. I actually told her to wrap it up, so just to pretend that it was a present. And I did not open this until Christmas Day. So let me just get opening. So guys, this Barbie Styling Head is actually really beautiful. So I'm going to quickly show you what is inside. So the first thing over here is 3 little, what's it called again?
What do you call it? Barrettes?
3 little barrettes. They are really cute, purple, blue, and pink. Okay, I was going colorblind or something. Okay, and then here are 8 little gems to put on the barrettes. That is really cool. And then over here is like what you stick on the nails, and then you stick the nails on. That is actually also really cool. And then you have the sequin, and then you have the sequin applicator. And then so you put one sequin on, and then you just put it on the hair, and it'll actually be really cool. We have spray and put cold ice water in it. Just warm, any kind. And then we have some lipstick. So if you put cold ice water on it, on this one, her lips will change colour. But I'm not going to tell you because I know. And is that it? Oh no. Here is the brush. And we got some nails. And then the nail thing. So guys, I'm just going to do her up. I've stuck the sequins in with the sequin applier. They was actually really fun, and you can redo them so that it's even better. I've stuck the gems in that little beret, and I put some in her hair to hide it. And let me tell you something what is really disappointing. You see these nails here, these weren't sticking on the nail applier, and you had to peel it off, but it wasn't peeling. And then I just tried sticking this straight on, but it still wasn't working. So I'm actually really disappointed with this, but the rest was good. Oh, and also this doesn't even work. We tried spraying it, look. You can't hear nothing, and it doesn't even work. It's just there for show. So I'm actually really disappointed and sad. So guys, the last thing I'm going to try and see if the lips are going to color change. I got some ice cold water, and you can see ice cold water with actual ice in it. So let's just get started. So guys, I've tried it. It hasn't worked. Let me try it one more time for the charm. Maybe the ice has to melt. Or still not working, and it's still the same if the ice melts. So look, ain't color changing. It looks a little bit light on camera, but it's actually not color changing. And this, oh hi Lace.
Hi.
And this is not working, so I'm actually really upset. Lace, the dolly doesn't work. So I'm gonna have to rate this a 5 out of 10 because 3 things don't work. And I hope next week's one is going to be a little bit more better than this. Well guys, that's the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment down below if you have this and if it worked for you or if it didn't work for you. And don't forget to like. I'm checking out, not checking in. A bit with sass, yours, oh yeah.